Hey guys, quick options update video for you. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible because there's not much to cover, and I don't think people watch long videos anymore. I think 4 or 5 minutes is people's time span. So we're going to go over the trades here real quick from June 13th through the 17th, and we'll start here with closes. Closed the covered call on AT&T. It was a 20 strike, closed it for 10 cents, profited 22 bucks in 43 days. Zoom in here. Sorry about that. Wasn't prepared. And then closed the QQQJ covered call as well. Closed that for 5 cents, profited 21 bucks in 22 days there. Let's see. ARKK, if you remember from last week, I had a 1111 spread on it. I closed the spread, profited about 50 bucks there in 6 days, and I rebought the put just for some downside protection. We'll cover that in the openings. Closed the covered call on PEY, actually expired, so profited 14.80 there. And then I was assigned 100 shares of Ford at 13 bucks. So that contract expired worthless as well. So 19 bucks there. And that's it for the closes. Let's take a look at the opens. And that's probably even a shorter list. Sold another AT&T call to just June 24th. So this week. 20 strike, got 17 bucks for it. And then I rebought a put for ARKK just for some downside protection. 40 strike, paid $627 for it. I overpaid, and it's probably this was probably a mistake, to be honest with you, but I don't know if I will chop it off just yet. I got to see how the market performs. So that's it. That's really it. Let's take a look real quick at premium cooking. So we closed 6 positions, opened 2, profit realized at $93.59. Premium sold negative 611. That's because I bought that put. Total premium cooking $13,838. Maintenance margin of $40,200. Buying power usage 43.93, so pretty high, getting up there. Cash balance 49,268, and that is actually wrong. I forgot. Minus 1,300 off of that because of those Ford shares that were assigned. Deposit withdrawals 0 and 0. Net lick way down to 91,500. Return on maintenance margin 0.24. Return on net lick 0.09. Also that cash balance, let's see, what is that? What's 49,268 minus 1,300? If I wasn't recording, I'd probably be able to do that off the top of my head, but I'm not going to. 47,968. 47,968. If you recall last week as well, I talked about shorting the SPY, and I actually did that as well. I bought 100 shares of SH, that's the 1X exposure short SPY, and I bought that on June 10th, only 101 shares, and then I sold it, I think, the next Monday or Tuesday. I left like 20 bucks on the table if I would have held it another day or two, but profited 87.21 there. And year-to-date results, fairly ugly, as expected. So starting value 123.1 in January, final value 91.5, 25.67% decline. Compared that to the indexes and doing better than 1, but not 1 or 2, but not the SPY or Dow. SPY is down 23%, Dow's down only 18%. Dow down under 30,000. Could be a nice little marker there for people to start buying. NASDAQ down 31%. Finally hit another nice marker of 30 to, possibly people stepping in to buy. Russell 2000 down 26, almost 27% there. So let's take a real quick look at what's happening for the week. Next 4 days at least. Got some interesting things that would point to the economy here. FedEx is reporting earnings. The one that's going to be interesting, though, Lennar, which is a home builder, CarMax, which is, used cars, obviously, and then Carnival Cruise, which is cruise lines. Also Winnebago Industries down there, and KB Home. So that's going to be interesting to find out what their outlook and forecasts are. That would really paint a picture for the economy, I think. Real quick, let's go over the SPY QQQ. I don't want to start looking at the Dow Jones chart real quick. We're kind of in a no man's land here. We're looking at the SPY here, SPY chart, and we're long term. We're in kind of a no man's land. If we don't find support here on the SPY, if we don't hold this level, we could be heading down toward like the 340 level, which is represented by that blue line right there. So in a long-term look, we're kind of in no man's land. We're at a turning point, in other words. QQQ, we're building support right here at this 270 level. I think that's what I said last week, between 260 and 270, but we're at 275 basically. Some pretty strong support there, so I'd look for a bounce here. And then the DIA, sort of similar to the SPY chart, kind of in no man's land. Needs to build support here if it can. If not, 280, roughly represented by that blue line, could possibly be in the pictures, in the card. So anyway, that's all I got. Hope you guys have a good week. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.